A soup in winter. The best thing about the soup in winter is the warmth. A hot bowl of soup is sure to warm you up right from inside, even though the temperatures have dipped to the negative numbers. Hot soup warms your body from within, giving you a core warmth. So, today, let us enjoy the warmth of mushroom, that is the cream of mushroom, along with its accompaniment, that is cheesy garlic bread. Let's get started and check out the recipe for cream and mushroom soup and its accompaniment garlic bread. Let's note the ingredients: 2 packets of mushrooms, 2 medium sized onions, 1 tablespoon butter, half tablespoon olive oil, 6 to 7 cloves of garlic, half inch ginger, 2 tablespoon fresh cream. The woody stem of mushrooms should be removed and they should be cut into 4 pieces, 4 to 5 pieces. Next, in a pan, add 1/4 teaspoon of butter. In that, you can add the mushrooms and roast them till they get brown color and they start leaving some water. Roast 2 packets of mushrooms but divide them separately into 2 different portions. In the same pan, add olive oil. You can add the ginger and garlic pieces into that. Later on, add the onion cubes which you have made. Roast it nicely till the onion gets brown. Add the roasted onions, ginger and garlic to the blender. Along with that, you can also add the roasted mushrooms, half batch of it. Make a very smooth and silky paste out of it. Later, add it to the saucepan for roasting. Add water or milk as desired and you can check the consistency you want. Let it simmer for 5 to 7 minutes. The soup starts to thicken. At this stage you can add 2 to 3 tablespoons of fresh cream. Also add the remaining portion of mushrooms that we had separated. When the soup thickens to the desired consistency, now you can add black pepper powder. Now you can give it a good mix and switch off the flame. Mushroom soup is incomplete without its accompaniment, which is cheese garlic bread. Let us check out the ingredients. 5 to 6 garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon butter, half tablespoon cubes of cut onion, 2 cubes of cheese grated, 1/4 teaspoon pizza herbs, coriander, 4 to 5 slices of multigrain bread. You should always toast the bread before making the cheese garlic toast. Now in a bowl, add butter, cheese, garlic, but the garlic should be crushed. Then you can add the remaining herbs or you can also add coriander at this point. Mix everything together very well. Apply the mixture properly on bread and toast it again. I hope you must have enjoyed the heart-warming mushroom soup along with its accompaniment cheesy garlic bread. If you liked the recipe, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe.